Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll walk you through how to sell Solana so well in your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you've been holding Solana and are ready to sell, we've got the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 2. Locate your Solana SOL. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets tab. Look for Solana SOL in your list of assets. If you don't see it, you might need to add SOL by clicking on the Add Asset option and searching for Solana. Step 3. Select Solana, click on Solana to open your SOL wallet and view your balance. Step 4. Tap on Send. Now, click on the Send button. This will allow you to send your Solana to an external exchange for selling. Step 5. Transfer to Coinbase Exchange. If you want to sell directly from your Coinbase wallet, you'll need to transfer your SOL to the Coinbase Exchange. Copy your Coinbase Exchange Solana SOL deposit address. Go back to your Coinbase Wallet app and paste the address in the recipient field. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer and complete the transaction. Step 6. Sell Solana on Coinbase Exchange. Once the transfer is complete and your SOL appears in your Coinbase Exchange account, follow these steps to sell. Open the Coinbase app or website. Navigate to the Trade section and search for Solana SOL. Select Sell and choose the amount you want to sell. Confirm the transaction to sell your Solana. Step 7. Withdraw the funds. After selling, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or another preferred payment method. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell Solana from your Coinbase wallet in 2025. It's a simple process, but always be mindful of transaction fees and ensure your wallet is secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.